So let's see the quick demo of Opal, which is provided Google, and here see that output. Actually, I just build or generate this one as over here. I just keep that one prompt. Sorry, I'm just giving one image, and they just converting as a video in this funny videos, right? As a crampin videos. So claymations actually. Sorry, it is a claymation videos, right? So here, see, let me just uh, play one more time. See, I just providing a simple image, right? So I'll show you which image I just provided, and they generating this claimations, any videos over here. And if you see, there's a complete workflow. They have that this sample, like they want to upload this and this and this. They automate, they everything actually over there as a template. I have not created one, but if you want, you can just create it over there. So before moving to start this implementation and all, so I'm especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, so which is my channel is .NET Real World Example, and here you can learn many other things like front end, back end, all that as a full stack developer, and also AI integration, right? So you can just learn many things over here. So yeah, let's moving to start to implementations. So let's open any browser. So I'm just open google.com and also just search for here that Google Opal AI, so which is newly introduced by the Google. And once you open this, and this is that the official website opal.withgoogle.com, right? And once you just over here, so you can just get a couple of videos, and also you can just see and check out. And here's that some ideas, and currently also it is experimental, so you can build, edit, and share mini AI apps using natural language, right? So also they providing this features. So let me log in first. So I'm just currently use in our India country. So I want to show you like it is not available actually in India country. So no issues. We have that workaround. We can just use this in India, but using that as a free VPN. So let me sign in first and just sign in some users. Our google.com Gmail users, and continue. Okay, so once you're done, now see, it is clearly said Opal is not available in this your country, right? So this is perfectly fine. So what you can do, simply skip that, and for that actually we have to search in Google Urban VPN Chrome extension, right? So go to here and just add this Chrome extension, add that, wait for complete this, right? Whatever extension. So yeah, it's almost completed. Okay, so once you're done, now see, you are able to see your extension is available over here in the top. So you can just use that. Also you can have to pin that so that you are able to see, and also see it is redirect to your over there, right? And also see download urban free at get urban free, that. So this is that official website, right? So let me just cancel it and go to your extension over here. So go to that extension, manage extension, and if you see over here, so this is their extension, right? So simply you can just open it, and here you just simply, if you available over here, so you can just pin it. If you don't have, so then you can simply use that pin options, right? So just pin, so you are able to see over here this option. And now go to this option, click on that, and here agree, and yeah, just select just US Unity Usted and try to connect. Yes, now see, it is connected with the United States. And if you try now, so close that, close that, close that. Now go back to over here, now refresh, and then try to sign in over here. So sign in, actually this is the workaround to use in India. So go to that particular continue. Now see, they're asking to additional sign in. So yeah, see, edit, create, delete, and video specific things. So yeah, just use that if you want to sign in, or you can just skip. But yeah, let me try to sign in. might be that that we required. So once you logged in, now see it's saying like, okay, it is logged in over here with your user, and also build app and share mini apps. So here that couple of option, like if you want to create a new from scratch, so you can create your workflows from the scratch and build any app. And also there's a additionally options, they're providing them some samples, right? So like suppose this is a sample for black blog post writer, right? So if you input any content, so it will create a blog post, right? So let me try this so that you can get some idea. So click on that, and now see, once you click on that, you are able to see this option, like it is saying Opal is not editable, so please remix it. So right, so just click on the remix. So that remix option actually allow to use to remix, means you can modify it, like whatever that currently workflow, that workflow design, like suppose everybody can that give that, user can give that your input, right? So what kind of blog you want to generate, so you can just give the input, and that also will do with the research from the website and all. So they will use that get topic, and also this is the right output, right? So it is that trying to outline whatever that outline and examining that whatever do search and all, right? And then it will write the post, whatever the right post, and then finally display it over here. And also it will just create some banner and image and all if required, so based on this. So this is that complete workflow. And also you can, there is just a couple of input, right? So if you want, so as a as a user input, so this is that user input, right? So if you just use the user input, so it will get this user input and generate, it will generate for this, right? So like this is star, so this is generated things. And then output also, this is that output, no, sorry, output would be this a green one. Okay, so like this actually you can just create, I'll show you and later, but yeah, as of now I'll use that existing one. And here let me just start this. Okay, so once you start, now this is asking to actually what kind of block you want to create it, right? So I want to create a blog post, like suppose so I'm just giving this, I want to generate this blog post, right? Like which is the fighting AI with human, right? So let me start that. So once you start, now see it is starting do search, so it will taking this one. And also if you click that console, you will see whatever that workflow is actually running over here. So everything it is running over here. Even they are using this Gemini model 2.5 flash, so whatever model you want, so you can just use it, that we have options to use it. Okay, now see there are a couple of researching and all, so let me wait to complete their process and give me that that blog post for that AI fight with the human. Finally it's got created. Now see, this is blog post got created, and also this image, and this is that titles, and also they are giving some details. And that also, see, these are that all that step they are completed along with their output. So you, if you want to see this do research, so in do research actually say it is couple of things they have completed, right? And also they find this complete result. And similar we have that another all that steps. And yeah, now you can, if you want to see this complete app, so you can click this app and you're able to see this is that app. And this is the image just generated for that AI and human fighting the human edge, why the AI still need to human, and how we'll make sure to stay that, right? So see the blog post which I just created, which is amazing, right? So this is how actually the op this Opal is working. And if you go back to there, and there's a couple of also the example over here, so you can just use it and you can create. And also if you want to create your own one, so you can just create over here, just create new. And here, so see there's a live demo, so if you want to, you can just check it live demo. Or if you want to create a, like suppose here, just use that user input and the generate, so you can just generate it over here, right? And then it should be an output, right? So this is that output, like that actually you can just create it over here, right? And then you can just just you can just over there generate it over here like that also. So you can just make it over here and then you can just get an output, right? So that up to you what you want, but yeah, this is that overall features over here. So you can just generate anything over here as a now automations perspective or end to end n8. So like that way you can build your applications over here as automations perspective, right? So yeah, let's me do one more things. So like this way, see, this is another example. Like here, that transfer your photo into a video of that claimations character. Like, so let me use that one. And same things, if you want to, you want to modify, so you can modify it, so you can create a remix. But yeah, as of now I don't want to do that, because I want to use whatever they provide actually. Okay, now it's loaded, and if you see over here, see, this is photo, then generating this finally, and then here just start, and here upload your response. So upload your photo turned into this, clamations character, right? So if you want to upload a photo, so you can just upload from your device. So go to the yeah, take this and hit enter. Okay, now see, finally that generated over here, and let me play that. Oh my god, see what look like actually, I don't believe it. See, let me play one more time. So yeah, I think you can just use it. So like this way actually you can just utilize your work, right? Whatever things you want as automations, and you know uh, you know AI isn't actually do in yourself, so you can just build your applications, right? So yeah, that's all for this session. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.